this video, I'll show you a method using which you can make unlimited Gmail accounts without any phone number verification, without any VPN or any other shit. This is going to be a very useful video because you can't use the same mobile number again and again. Don't miss any step and watch this video till the end. I'm using the Edge tutorial for this video. You could also use Chrome on your mobile.
So let's begin. First open incognito tab of any browser and go to youtube.com. And then open any video. Now click the like button. After that, click sign in. Now click on create a new account. Now fill up your particulars here like first name, last name. Click on create a new Gmail address instead. Don't use your existing email. And fill up a password. And just click on next. Now you will see that the phone number box is optional. You can leave it, it's not necessary. And that's all, you are done. Don't forget to subscribe to Hacking Cracking Tech for more such tips and tricks. And you can also follow us on Instagram if you want to learn more such tips and tricks.